Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Keshav and you're watching Your Average Programmer. Today I'm here with one simple trick in VS Code, and I just wanted to talk about one of the features that I use on a regular basis, and it has saved me countless amount of hours over the course of years. I don't see other people doing this, and it's a fairly simple thing. It's called multi-line edit, and this is a really cool thing whenever you are working with something redundant, that something just takes your time because you need to write some redundant piece of code. So let me show you an example over here on my screen. I need to convert these import statements into something like these. So what would I do? If I did not know about this feature, what I would do is I would just copy, paste. I'll copy this, paste it over here, and then I'll paste it over here. So I will comment this out, and I will then again copy this. I will copy this line, paste it over here. So let's do that once again. Copy, paste, and what you would do is again copy this, paste, paste. So if you need to do this for, I don't know, 10 or 12 components, it will take you about a minute or so. It's not a huge amount of time, but when you are trying to do refactor across, say, let's say you did this over here, you need to do it on some other pages as well, it slowly becomes a huge problem. You just need to spend more time writing redundant or repetitive code, and there's a way using which you can just save your time. So let's, without much beating around the bush, let's just get to the point. So there are two shortcuts that I want to talk. The first one is called line duplication feature. So I have that set to Command D. So as you can see, it just duplicates the line. How many lines do I need over here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have already 3 over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The core feature that I wanted to discuss is multi-line edit. So I have the shortcut set to Command, Option, and down arrow. As you can see, my arrow size is increasing over the different lines. So now I'm selecting all the components that I need to refactor. Once I increase the height of my cursor, I can now select regularly. It will take you some time to get to understand this thing, to get used to this, but now I can just do this, select, paste, and done. Let me show you it one more time. Let's say I need to convert each of these import statements to something like this. I made 9 different templates for each of them. I go to the starting point over here. I need to select all these things. So if I do a regular selection, you can see I am copying the commas as well, which is not good. And I only have one cursor. I go to the start of this. I press Command, Option, arrow down. Or you could also start from here and you can press Command, Option, arrow up. Anything that suits you. Command, Option down from bottom, or you could do Command, Option up. I'll show you how to set these shortcuts in the settings of VS Code as well. So once I have selected, you just need to select the word like you do regularly. It just, your cursor is being simulated in multiple lines. So if I just do Command, Option, select all, it just gets selected. If I move arrow left, it will go left. If I move arrow right, all the cursor move and react to the same command. So I select the word, I copy it, I come down, I move the cursor down. You can see like sometimes the cursors are moving here and there. So what you can do is to reset it, you just can press Command and left. On the Windows, it may be Control and left. After that, you have already copied those text in your clipboard. So if you just select the words here and if you paste it, it will replace all of those respectively. Now everything else remains the same. You just need to go at the end and you need to change these, and bam, done. Some other examples I will try to think of it right now is, let's say you are trying to make an object for some purposes. So let's say you just decided to change this. Let's say you want to add these keys over here, right? So select these, come over here, bam, bam. So this is how you can make I don't know, objects and things like that in a much faster way. And this is just the starting of what you can do with these multi-line edits. There are times where you want to capitalize your maybe variables or something. So I have another shortcut that is Command Option U, and I instantly capitalized all my variables. I also have Command Option L that instantly converts all the capital keys into lowercase. So I hope you are getting to understand the potential of multi-line edit, how you can do some redundant activity in just seconds that will save you a lot of time, and you can focus on the logic aspect of writing the code and making it bug free, and you spend less time on doing repetitive things like this. Let's head over to shortcuts. Sometimes I don't remember the shortcuts of many things, so I just go and search it. And now we are here at VSCode search function, and I don't remember what that particular features are called over here. So what I can do is I can search the name of the command by key presses as well. So I know my shortcut is Command D, so that is copy line down. And I think is it default? No, it's of user. So this is the user configured. I have customized this particular settings. You can put any settings that you would like. Now let's search for another shortcut that is Command Option Down, and this is by default, so you don't need to customize this in VS Code. Hopefully this is called Add Cursor Below. Now I know the name of the feature, Add Cursor. So there you have it, Add Cursor above and below. This is the multi-line feature that is there by default. You don't need to customize it. And lowercase. So by default there is no transformation settings, transform to lowercase. I have customized it to Command Option L for lowercase and uppercase. I just wanted to leave you a bonus tip because after I finished the earlier recording session, I was just on my merry way and I was working, and I realized that there is this feature that I use every once in a while. So as you can see on my screen, and sometimes there might be a complex line of code that you may not want to type it. Let's say you want to do copy, paste, fine. There's another way of doing this, and that is what I like to call moving line. So what am I doing is I am duplicating a line, and I have this shortcut of Option Shift down arrow, and this moving line feature allows you to move a particular line up or down, and it's even more versatile. Let's say you want to move this entire block of code up. Well, there you have it. If you want to move it way up, if you want to move it way down, you could take it way down. I don't know, now I cannot see because of the keycaster. So let's see where it is in the keyboard shortcut. It is somewhere. It is called a move line command. So command, I think I have customized this to Shift Alt, or I call it Option Shift down to move a selected line down or move the current line down, and up arrow to move the current line up or the selected piece of code up. These are some handy shortcuts that I use, and I hope they will help you. Let me know if you like this and would like to more about it. Feel free to drop a comment down below if you did not understood something, and hopefully this was helpful. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Options AKG okay, screen recording is in progress too, which should be good. So